Hi, my name is Genesis Altamirano, and my project is on the representation of disability across the media. The reason that I chose this community is because it is a community that I can relate to very much, being that I am part of this community. Growing up, I didn't ever see myself represented in media, and if I did, I didn't ever feel like it was an accurate representation and couldn't ever relate. So I thought that I would ask others to see what they had to say on the matter. And this is what they had to say. Ms. Stokes, the director of Trio SSS, shared with me how the movie The Goonies shows how media tends to make disability a choice, which causes an inaccurate representation and a misconception of disability in society. Ms. Pelaez shared with me how media tends to make disability a character trait when it's definitely not. Here are some changes that I saw need to be made in media in order to improve the representation of disability. There needs to be more disabled characters that are actually disabled. We need to stop drowning the characters in disability, meaning showing more than their disability. Reduce stereotypes. And just have them in ordinary lives, meaning just showing a disabled character living an ordinary life. Yes, they will have a disability, but they live normal lives just like everybody else does. These are the changes that this community needs in order to have a more accurate representation for themselves. Thank you.